Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. We are at Burlington right now. There's mom, there's Ashley, and Nitish and dad are together in the men's section. We are just out to get some groceries, and I'm actually out to get some groceries with them.
They're out shopping.
Yeah, they're out shopping, and we are gonna do hot pot tonight. So we're also gonna get stuff for hot pot. And I'm also like, because I'm tagging along with them, so I'm like, can you take me to all the grocery stores? So yeah, that's what we are doing. We are at Burlington right now. Mom is shopping. Skirt, nice.
Huh?
Mom has like whole trolley full to go and try the clothes because she doesn't know her size. So yeah, here I am wearing new shoes that Ashley and Nitish got me. Grocery ready.
Yes.
And she's there again looking for clothes. She was about to go and try.
Oh my god.
No focus.
Yeah. No, I'm getting a better camera. Dad is already done with his shopping here. Yeah.
Yeah, I have done it,
Yeah.
and this fellow is made me complete.
See, such good camera. Even though you got your hand and it went away, the camera focus is still there. So yeah, and then now mom is trying, almost done.
Maria,
She's calling him.
Right, we are out of Burlington. We are out of Burlington, and they had a huge trolley of clothes. You don't want to know how much because it was just full. If people will see a trolley, they'll be like, oh my god, is Burlington having a huge sale or something? We had 3 very big bags. And now we are going to where? Bricoti?
Yes.
Yes, we're going to Bricoti. And then we're gonna go to H Mart and Aldi. And Mayang is at home with the baby because he's working, so yeah. We are at Bricoti now. Alright, so we got some stuff here, let me show you. Dad is trying Coffee Crush. It's like basically Dalgona iced coffee. And then we have hot dog, is it good? Yeah. Hot dog and pork and onion and all the sweet pastries over here.
very exciting day.
Alright, we are done with H Mart. They loved it, all the fruits and vegetable and everything. I also did my grocery there. And now we are going to Aldi. I need to pick up some stuff, and then I'm going home and they can go wherever they want.
Then we are going back home. We are
Yeah.
getting ready for hot.
Yeah, so evening we're going to do hot pots. I'm going to take you there then. And I like
And
it.
it was a very satisfying day for mom.
What?
Oma.
She did lot of
Oma is very happy today.
Yeah, because of
At
Burlington.
least I have got clothes to wear now.
Yes. Alright guys, I am home. They dropped me and they went back home. Put away all the groceries. Mayang is there off work. So he's relaxing and this baby is here sleeping. Mayang,
Wonderful job.
yes, he did a very good job of putting him down. I was telling him about all the places we went and all the food that we ate. We did miss you, but yeah. It was fun.
Right, so we are here at Yeshu and Ashley's place like planned. It's Friday night and hot pot is cooking. So this is the broth I don't know the name of, but this is a non-spicy broth that Ashley likes. And this is tom yum with bok choy, tofu, steak, shrimp, udon noodles, fish cakes. Oh, 2 types of broth going on here. This is tom yum. And this is non-spicy broth. And it has some wild mushrooms. Whoa. So good.
Non-spicy. You'll know when she'll make it.
Will I also get it?
Yes. Alright guys, we are heading back home. Dinner is done, dessert is done. We also played Uno. Dad is still awake, mom went to sleep. So yeah. Alright then, I'm gonna finish this vlog here and we'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.